Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm from Premium Lifestyle and Fashion, short for PLF, and I'm a proud Samsung Smart Cafe owner in Kondapur, and soon few more stores in all your localities to serve all your needs. So today I'm going to introduce to you the latest Marvel creation from Samsung, the S21 series, and this model is the S21 Ultra, and trust me, it is going to make your life absolutely epic. So I'm going to unbox this phone for you guys and give you top 3 features or reasons why you should buy this phone, and trust me, you will see what Samsung has created, and it is breaking all barriers, and definitely you can do what you can't. So now I'm going to unbox this phone for you guys, and as you can see, the slim and trim box, which is Samsung's take of being eco-friendly and good for the environment, which is very good as we're in 2021. And as soon as I open the box, wow, this phone looks absolutely amazing. So in the box you're going to get your phone, of course. You're going to get the SIM tray pin, and in this box and you're going to get 3 documents. It is going to be your quick starter guide, your warranty card, and your regional lock guide, and of course your cable. So now I'm going to talk to you guys about 3 things, 3 very important things, which is going to be the epic design, which I'm already in love with, the epic camera, and the epic performance that you get with this phone. And now, as you can see, the design is so slim, the phone looks so good, and my favorite part, I'm going to peel off this bit, which is the best part about unboxing. So now, as you can see, I've started the phone, and let it start up. I'll tell you more about it. You can see the camera, the contour finish, the way it has blended in, the haze finish that you get it in multiple phantom colors. So let's dive into the screen, and now this, as you can see, is a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, and it's got 120 Hz refresh rate, which is absolutely stunning. You can see, as you guys know, Samsung S series is known to bring out best camera innovation in the market, and now we're going to talk about the S21 Ultra camera, and trust me, it's absolutely epic. So as you can see, this camera is 108 megapixel. It has dual telephoto lens, and it can zoom up to 100x. Now the Samsung S21 Ultra camera can shoot 8K videos, and while you play back your videos, you can take high resolution photos with the 8K video snap option. And I cannot wait to get my hands on this phone and start taking pictures on a daily basis. Also, talking about the front camera, it's got a pro grade front camera with 40 megapixel and an improved portrait mode. I'm going to quickly show this to you. Now coming to talk about the performance, I expect my smartphone to take my productivity and creativity to the next level, and this Samsung S21 series does exactly that. The S21 series now comes with 5nm Exynos 2100 processor, which is giving you an absolutely lag-free experience. And talking about the S21 Ultra, it is 5G ready, and trust me, it is absolutely future ready. Now coming to talk to you guys about the last and the most important features in today's time is the battery. And this battery lasts all day. It's got a 5000 mAh battery. Now I know you guys are very impatient and cannot wait to get your hands on this phone, and why should you? So definitely listen to me and pre-book the phone, and you can get up to 20,000 in benefits. And you should definitely come down to my store, Kondapur. It's a brand new store, and the experience is going to be truly phenomenal. I wish you guys the best of luck, and I hope you guys get this phone soon in your hand. This S21 Ultra 5G is truly epic. It's a game changer, it's a bold, futuristic phone, and is the best in the Samsung S series lineup. I'm already in love with it.